The purpose of this video is to assist teachers and school admin teams on how to analyze the winter diagnostic raw scores using the data analysis tool to assist with next steps for instruction. Begin with section 1 of the document. Next, navigate to the Unified Student Item Analysis Report. Select a winter diagnostic assessment, and when the report generates, locate the bar chart graph on the right side of the report. Depending on your level of access will determine the number of bars you will see. The bar chart focuses on the performance comparison between the class, school, and district performance averages, which are correlated to the 3 achievement bands for our district performance assessments, which are red, below threshold 0 to 49, yellow, threshold 50 to 74, green, mastery 75 and above. Use your mouse to hover over each bar within the bar chart will reflect the percentage values that are correlated to the specific achievement band. Teachers should record those findings within the form under the correct column for class, school, or district level, and the correct row for the achievement band. Next, consider the following reflective analysis. How did I compare to the school and the district overall? Page 2 of the form focuses on the standard performance. Here is where teachers will review the standards that were on the assessment and determine what achievement band category they fell into. To complete this analysis, teachers need to focus on the first set of percentages within the red outline box. These percentages indicate the standard performance according to the 3 achievement bands as indicated with the color-coded boxes. Below threshold 0 to 49, threshold 50 to 74, and mastery 75% and above. Use the tiny triangles to sort the data ascending or descending to assist with this process. To determine strengths and weaknesses of the standards, teachers should focus on the standards that were previously taught and assessed based on the formative assessment blueprints. To assist with this process, the Educational Data Warehouse team has created links via the baseball card report that contains only the standards that were taught before the diagnostic window opened. To locate the standards taught baseball card links report, follow the indicated pathway of the My Unified landing page, click on the News and Assignments tab. Then in the News and Assignments tab, click on the second circle of the scrolling marquee. Then you will see the list of links by school level and grade level. Page 3 of the form references DOK performance. Back in the student item analysis report, teachers will need to switch from the standards tab to the depth of knowledge tab. Within this tab, teachers will record the following information: the number of items per DOK level and the DOK performance according to the 3 achievement bands, which are below threshold 0 to 49, threshold 50 to 74, and mastery 75 and above. Again, the percentages can be sorted ascending and descending by using the tiny triangles next to the achievement band boxes. Reflections: what whole class trends do you see? Page 4 of the form requires an analysis of the student's test score percentages within the Interaction Scores tab, which is located on the bottom half of the report. To locate each student's test score, scroll down to the bottom half of the report, click on the first tab called Interaction Scores. Locate the test score percentage column next to the student's name. Here is where teachers will gather the answers to the 4 questions on this page. Test scores can be sorted ascending and descending by clicking on the tiny triangles next to the percent sign as indicated in the image. Question 1. Which students could be easily moved to threshold 50%? Using the tiny triangles, sort the data to locate scores at the upper end of the below threshold value. For example, scores that fall in the range of 49, 48, 47, 46, and 45%. Record these students under question 1. Question 2, which students are barely meeting threshold? Using the same process of sorting the data, identify those students who just made the threshold value range and record their names under question 2. Example scores 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, and 55. Question 3, which students are approaching mastery? Again, sort the data to reflect those students in the upper end of the threshold value. Example scores 74, 73, 72, 71, 70. Record these students under question 3. Question 4, which students are barely meeting mastery? 75 and above. Example scores 75, 76, 77. Record these students under question 4. As we come to a close with section 1 of the document, begin thinking about the next steps for instruction. Things we need to consider: going from data-informed to data-driven using the DI, differentiated instruction process. The information on this page will help teachers understand the differentiated instruction process by instructing them on how to apply the DI concepts to their instructional methods. The 3 bullets bracketed in red are the steps teachers can follow to assist with infusing the DI process with the information they have collected within the first section of this form. Keep in mind, students in the below threshold values, the red achievement band, may need review and reteaching of most of these identified standards. Students in the threshold yellow achievement band can benefit from remediation of the targeted standards at the assessed level of rigor. Small group instruction and scaffolding is the key concept with this group of students. This group could also benefit using additional lessons in iReady as well. Students in the mastery values, green achievement bands, will benefit from enrichment of the standard, which encompasses providing the students with additional opportunities to practice with the standard at the assessed level of rigor. The ultimate goal for all the evidence collected and analyzed is now to act upon it. For more information in regards to this form, or if you need assistance with this form, please contact and reach out to your regional EDW specialist who can assist you further. For Central Elementary, please reach out to Claude Smith. Thank you.